Exercise number 39. Number 1. Pay, pray, prayed, buy, bright, brighter, tie, try, trial, cry, cried. Number 2. Crowd, grey, eager, eagerly, meager, figure, tiger, cheaper, taper. Number 3. Pie, ply, apply, play, pledge, pleasure, blame, blames, imply, reply, total. Number 4. Offer, offering, every, afraid, average, author, authors, either, tougher, differ, Jeffrey. Number 5. Shrew, shrewd, shriek, shrink, fissure, treasure, measure, leisure, calmer, manner. Number 6. Bunker, drinker, tinker, conquer, conquering, thinker. Number 7. Flow, flung, fled, fledge, ethel, camel, official, hopeful, joyful, positively. Full stop.